What's up, guys? Okay, guys, today I'm going to show you a quick way to do an inexpensive marble planter or container. So for this DIY, you're going to need a milk carton or any carton of your choice. I'm going to be using this free, whatever you call it, it's like a paint sample, but it's got adhesive back, or you could just use regular cardstock. And then if you're going to use regular cardstock, then you're going to need Mod Podge. Let's get started, guys. Okay, the first step, you're going to take your carton of your choice. And I've showed y'all this in other videos, but I said, hey, whatever, I'm going to just do it again. And you just open that bad boy up. Of course, you want to dry it out to make sure nothing liquidy is remaining. So you open it like that, guys. So then however big you want your container to be, that's where you cut it down to. So you just cut on the edges, use that as your guideline, cut it down to whatever markings, and you do the same on each side, all the edges, I should say. And fold it down once you get to the measurement of the container that you want, and then you just cut that bad boy off. Boom. And that. So you do that to your remaining sides until they're all equal. Then you search on the internet, of course, Google is always your friend, of a marble print or design that you like. And then you copy it, and then you bring it into one of your editing programs. And then we're going to print it on our piece of paper or our adhesive paper that I mentioned before. And there you have it, guys. Your marble planter or your container, however you want to use it. Of course, I put my coffee filter flowers in mine. Now let me give y'all a quick warning about that paper. I told y'all I could use the adhesive paper. I got that particular, it's a paint sample, so you know if you want to see if that color looks good on your wall or not, that's the paper I use, because why? It's free. But it is not printer friendly, so my ink was kind of smearing. But I still would recommend using a sticker paper, because I found it easier so you could get around the edges. It's like that, so it looks smoother, like real marble. So I still recommend that. And even around the edges on the top, you give it a more finished look. So that's how it turned out. But the ink smears. That's why I don't recommend the paper that I use, but still use a sticker paper. So anyway, I thought it came out cute. I really, it don't even look like what is the original container, which of course was a milk carton. And it do look like finished marble. And all you have to do is, of course, cut out your paper to the size of however tall you cut your particular carton, and apply it accordingly. So I didn't show that step because it was simply basic. Just cut it out and then fold it on your edges to make a smoother finish. I'll give you a better look. A smoother finish on the edges and at the top up here. So there you have it, guys. A quick and easy, inexpensive way to get that marble look, darling. That marble look. And of course, if you're not familiar with my coffee filter flowers, I will leave a link at the bottom or at the end of this video. Okay guys, I'm back. I know y'all just saw the finished product or what have you, but I wanted to show you guys how I actually measured the paper and wrapped it around the container. Okay, so of course, once your carton is already cut evenly in the height that you want it, then you take this paper. Remember I told y'all to use another type of sticker paper. Don't use this. See, this is a peel and stick paint color sample. Thought it was gonna be an awesome idea, but like I mentioned, it is not printer friendly. Your stuff will run and smear. So I'm gonna use this paper still because I don't want to waste some good paper. So all I did was take my container and I measured it to, oops, I can't see. What? Hold up. So I measured it like that, leaving a little over the sides. Of course, since this have writing on it, I didn't want that writing, so I did it like that. So this is just an example, guys. So measure. I'm trying to get a corner. Of course, it's not trying to allow me to be great. Okay. And so once you get your measurements, and it don't have to be perfect because y'all can always go back and cut it. And I went a little over at the top because I wanted to fold over. And I just snip it a little bit. And then I'm measuring it, like literally eyeing it. You can do more precise measurements, but for me just showing you, I'm going to just go like that. So then I cut it, and I'm going to cut it off camera, guys, because I can't cut and show, can I? Boom, yes I can. Cut it all the way to the top of it, man. And then you cut it over. Boom. You know it's acting funny looking, right? Oh my God, cut already, Lord. Thank you. So then you get that piece, measure it against your thingamajiggy. You say, all right, that's cool. Take it, take it, take it. Boom. And then you're just gonna stick it. Do-do-do. Line it up. Like I say, this adhesive allows you to take off. And now you have a smooth edge. You see how it's out on that side? You could do a better job than I did. Like I said, I could take it off and reapply. But y'all get what I'm talking about. Okay. Smooth it out. And then to get a better fold, then fold it like, since you see how it's over? Fold it over like that. And that's what I did with my container. And then that way the edge looks more smooth. And on the top, you do the same. You just fold it over. And of course, it'll have your print on there with your right paper. But I just wanted to give y'all an example. Now, if you have it like at the bottom, how it's still kind of overlapped, you see that? Let me show you. It's overlap. You could just cut that. And then that's how I applied the sticker paper. Real simple, guys. And you see how it smooths the edge over. It smooths it. And you just do that for each side of your container. Booyah! Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next Friday.